Ever felt trapped in DocuSign, needing to hide sensitive info like a pro? I am going to show you exactly how to add whiteout to your real estate documents in DocuSign. First, log into your DocuSign account and open the document you need to redact. Make sure you are in the edit view. Next, on the left-hand toolbar, locate the Shapes tool. It looks like a circle, square and triangle all connected. Click on it to expand your options. Now, select the square shape. Once the square is selected, you will want to change the fill color to white. This makes it look like whiteout. Click the fill color option. It looks like a paint bucket. Then choose white from the color palette. Click and drag your mouse to create a square over the information you want to hide. You can adjust the size and position of the square as needed to perfectly cover the text or data. To make the redaction seamless, also change the border color of the square to white. Select the line color option. It looks like a pencil. And again select white. See? Now the text is fully blocked. Repeat these steps for any other areas you need to redact, then you are set to share it. All redacted and ready. And that's it. You've successfully added whiteout in DocuSign. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more DocuSign tips.